So let's start with the problem. We'll create one Java file called Spring Grouping Java. So here we will define class String Grouping. Okay, then it is loading something. So, yeah. So we have got the main method. So let's play this. Let's first call this method. Like first get the problem. What's the problem we are going to work with? So problem is we have some names like these Alice, Adam, Arnab, Bob, Charlie, any name we can take, Ankit, and Catherine, and Catherine, let's make it capital, and Brian. So what we need to do is that we need to group them on the basis of first letter, like the starting letter. So the result will be like this. A for um, A will contain these names: Alice, Adam, Arnab, and Ankit. Okay. B will contain Bob and Brian. Similarly, C will contain Charlie and Catherine. So let's create this method. We will name this grouping by name. Grouping by, yeah, name. That will be fine. So let's first create one list. So that will be like list of names, and that list is uh, in java.util.list. It will be a string. Fine. Then it will contain uh, these numbers. So arrays dot as list we can, and we'll give these names. So that will be converted into the list of names. We have to put it into inverted commas. Charlie, we have to put inverted comma. Ankit, we have to put Catherine, we have to put and Brian. So this list we will pass. Let's name it as name list. Name list, yeah. So we'll pass it to this one. We'll create this method. Now the return type will be uh, list. So that list should contain uh, first letter as key, and rest of that names will be its value. So shall we put it like a map, or do we need a list? So I would suggest this should be map, and the first letter will be string. I mean the key will be string, and it will contain the list. So that will be list of string. Fine. So that is the return type. Um, that will be the output. So that is the output, and let's import this from util, and let's modify this method return type. So it is now map string and list of string as its value. So how we will print this? So we can easily print it using for each, and key we will print, yeah, yes, let's do this out. Okay, there is some problem with this. I think it will take not only key, it will take key and value. So there will be two variables instead of one. So this we gonna print it. System dot out. So let's say key, and then value will be printed like this. Let's add that's why. Now, now we need to write this method. Let's define the, or we are using a string, so we can directly return this. But we will do this later. Okay. First, we have done this. So, so let's see group. Let's say group names. Okay. And and we need to stream this list dot. We need to collect it. So collect data in the form of what? So collectors dot which method we should go with. So let's go with grouping by. Grouping by. So we need to group by uh, name's first letter, right? So we have uh, nothing over here actually. So let's write something like this. Name this variable and name dot substring. Okay, so first letter will be there, and yeah, here first letter will be the key, and it should convert it into tree map. Fine. And then tree map we have done because we wanted it in a sorted order also. That's why we have used it over here. Then collector dot to list. So, so, so now we have grouped it and using the first letter of the names, and we have converted into tree map, so we'll get sorted out, and then we collected into list, and then this grouping by will work in a way like first letter will be the substring. I mean, the key will be the substring, and the subsequent value will be the list. So let's check this out first. So we are running it, and yeah, we have got the output. So this is the expected output, and you can see it's sorted as well. A, B, and then C. So thank you all for watching.